Hello, and welcome to the Resource Library presentations produced by the NCC's Comprehensive Digitization and Discoverability Program. In this video series, generously funded by the Toshiba International Foundation, the NCC's CDDP task force highlights projects that are making digital images accessible in new ways. Each presentation discusses the project's content and purpose, how to use the site, and which tools were used to build it. We hope that these videos inspire and support those using images in their work or who plan to digitize their own collections.
In this video, I would like to share the general concept and functions of Japan Search. Shown here is the top page of Japan Search. Japan Search links digital archives in a variety of fields and organizes metadata of various content preserved by Japanese institutions and organizations into a searchable national integrated cross-sectoral portal website. Aside from providing cross-search system, it provides the metadata in a user-friendly format and plays a vital role as the foundation for promoting content utilization. This portal is mainly administered by the Digital Archive Japan Promotion Committee and Practitioner Review Committee, whose executive office is the Cabinet Office Intellectual Property Promotion Strategy Bureau. The Japan Search system is developed and operated by the NDL in cooperation with a variety of organizations in Japan under policies established by the committee. As of January 2021, Japan Search collaborates with 25 aggregators and 118 databases, giving access to about 22 million items. It includes, for example, the publications of libraries, cultural assets and artworks of museums, official documents of archives, academic resources of universities and research institutes, regional materials of local governments, broadcast programs, films, movies, etc. Clicking Connected Databases, you can view the list of databases searchable on Japan Search. Of these, approximately 820,000 items are available for educational or commercial use, and approximately 3.3 million items are digitized and accessible on the web. You can click each number to view all the items. Now let me show you a demo of searching in Japan Search. Let's try a broad search for content related to sericulture in Japan. Enter search keyword sericulture in Japanese in the search window. Cross-search searches all metadata fields in all databases in Japan Search according to keywords you enter. These are automatically translated by Google Translate, but at present the metadata is mostly in Japanese, so you may get better results by using Japanese keywords. I had 16,512 hits. You can narrow your results by rights type, contents access, name of database, or category of content from the facets on the left side of the screen. You will see that you can search a wide range of content such as nishikie, depicting sericulture, works of art, folklore materials such as silkworm breeding tools, photos, and books related to sericulture. You can also use the menu at the top of the screen to change the number of search results displayed, display order, and display format. To narrow down search results, you can also add keywords. Please click the question mark to see tips for searching. For example, if you want to find content about trade in sericulture, you can enter a query such as stat and sericulture or silk. This query means that the keyword stat is required and either or both the keywords sericulture and silk should be included. In addition, more detailed search is available. Clicking Detailed Search opens a detailed search menu that allows you to narrow your search by selecting content category or use condition database, you want to search time, location, and contributor of the content. For example, by entering 1930 in the time field and Nagano in the location field, you can find the specific content of your research interest. This item is Sericulture Statistics of Nagano Prefecture, published by the Nagano Prefecture in 1930. It is held by the National Diet Library. Some of Japan Search items conform to IIIF and can be displayed in the IIIF viewer. Scroll down to see specific metadata for this item. Below the metadata list, the rights status of this item is displayed. There is also a quick reference chart which shows whether it is available for educational, commercial, or non-commercial use. If there are additional specific terms of use, they are listed under the chart. Please check the rights status here when using Japan Search items. Below the rights status information, related content from the same time period, the same contributor, or the same location is displayed as related contents. Japan Search converts the aggregated metadata into linked open data and provides it with an API, SPARQL Endpoint and REST API, which is used to display it. For more information about the API, please see the For Developers menu in the Japan Search footer. At the bottom of the page, the name of the database containing this item and the name of the institution holding it are displayed. Please click them to go to the page containing information about this database or this institution. By clicking the Open and Source Archives, you can access the original database, in this example, the National Diet Library Digital Collection, where you can browse digitized material and, depending on the item, download original data. Using the search feature is not the only way to find content in Japan Search. By exploring the gallery section, you can enjoy an introduction to specific topics with images and explanatory writings. Even if you don't have a particular theme you want to search for, browsing these galleries will give you a sense of the breadth of the digital archives that collaborate with Japan Search. This is a gallery about silkworms published by the National Diet Library. Below the caption is an introduction to other related galleries. Next, you will find the list of related books, works, materials, videos, institutions holding related materials, and external links, etc. At the bottom of the gallery page, you will find the terms of use for this gallery. This gallery is available for CC BY, but you will need to check the terms of use for each image. As in the silkworm example, cross-search pulls together the contents of galleries. You can view the list of all the galleries by clicking on the footer's contents and then gallery. Currently, about 200 galleries dealing with Japanese history, historical figures, and culture are open to the public. Please check and use the gallery as a starting point for a comprehensive search of material on a particular topic. Finally, I would like to show another interesting functionality unique to Japan Search, image search. In the search results, click the picture icon to search for thumbnail images with similar characteristics. Alternatively, you can click Image Search at the side of the search window and select a thumbnail from there. Or you could upload an image file to search for similar thumbnail images. Please feel free to contact us from the contact page of Japan Search if you have any questions or comments.
Thank you for watching the presentation. We hope you found it useful. Please check other videos in the CDDP presentation library.